Yo, what's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? Your boy's back, and as you can see, I'm at the car wash, but my car is clean. Boom. What the fuck? These new badges, bro. From 10th Gen Auto on Instagram, yo. Top tier guy, yo. These are custom made. I'm super happy with these. Super happy with these. Look at that. Already got the 3 on the back. I just gotta take the other one off, put this shit on, and stick it, and then boom, that's it. So yeah, let's do that.
So this emblem install is literally 3 simple steps. Step 1, you have to use your prying tool and tuck it behind your current emblem and slowly move it down to pull the 2 pins out of the hole. Step 2, once the emblem comes out, or in my case, pops out and hits me, clean down the area with proper cleaning supplies so the new emblem can stick better. And step 3, line up the 2 holes from your current emblems and push in with a lot of pressure and force to make sure the 3M tape sticks. And now for the front, literally the exact same steps. It can be a little tricky, as you can see here. I'm putting it towards the top left of the H and slowly dragging it down to get it out of the hole. I do twist slowly just to make sure the H is off any adhesive that Honda uses to keep the emblems on, and this knocks one peg out the hole and I just pull it off. Then you follow back to steps 2 and 3. Once you do everything correctly, you should hear a little click as you're pushing the emblems in, and that's it.
Yo, I'm back. Oh. Get this shit up red real quick. Oh my lord. Woo-hoo-hoo. This thing fucking sounds sick, bro. Shit. That nigga broke his neck hard as fuck to look at this shit. Let's see. Talk to him, nigga. Talk to him. Talk to him. Oh my god, talk to him. This bitch looks so gassed. This shit looks so hard. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Yo, I miss driving my car like that, bro. Fuck, man. Hope y'all been good, man. Sorry for the late upload, bro. I know, like, I said I'm gonna be more consistent, which I am gonna be more consistent, but like, fuck, man. Last week, me and baby girl had our anniversary, you know. Yay, congratulations to us. It was 4 years. Let her go to death, man. I'm good, man. How y'all doing? Hope y'all are good. Hope y'all are still blessed. You know, everyone's blessed. Make sure y'all accept God in your life, bro. God is good, God is great, God is better in every single way. So y'all see the upgrade in the front and the back, right? I got 2 more things coming that's most likely gonna change the whole perspective of the car. One thing that I'm ordering is obviously the front lip. I got the one that I wanted, the 2-tone one, which I cannot wait for it to come in. I'm super excited. I've been holding off for a bit because, I mean, I had to save up for, you know, me and baby girl anniversary and shit like that, you know. Niggas was broke. But yeah, I am debating on switching out these headlights in the front. Talk to me, guys. Talk to me. What are we saying? Should I switch them out? Should I keep them? What are we talking about? I'm swapping them because personally, I don't think they fit the style of the car. If y'all remember my last car, I know I have a lot of new subscribers here, but I had an old Honda Accord LX 1.5, which I love, bro. That shit taught me a lot. But I wanted more, so I got the 2.0 instead of the 330, right? I had an OEM Plus look, as my cousin called it. Like the look of the car, the OEM Plus was perfect, bro. I loved it, bro. Everything blended so well. Nothing looked out of place. It wasn't riced. Like, me personally, I think I have good taste in mods. You feel me? But hey, we'll see. I'm probably gonna swap out the headlights. I'm not gonna tell you what the headlights are. I want to keep that a surprise, but yeah, headlights should be getting swapped out pretty soon. I believe it comes, I think, in 2 weeks. I got my lip coming in Friday, so I'll probably have a video up Monday or so on me installing the lip. It doesn't take long, I guarantee. It's like an hour long, bro, like the installation. If you guys want me to make a tutorial on that, I'll be down, but just let me know if you want to make a tutorial on that, because I know a lot of people ask me for help when it comes to mods, especially on Instagram too. Just a regular guy. just a chill guy, man. Oh, I did order one more thing that I'm gonna have in the front to give that OEM plus look. Definitely not gonna tell you guys that because I have to hardwire that into the fucking the headlights and also the fuse. You guys probably know what it is. If you guys are big into the Honda community and you guys have Hondas, I know a lot of people I saw in my comments just like recently just bought either a 2.0, 1.5, or like an SI, if anything. Hell of people bought Accords, and I'm super grateful for that. Like, I'm glad that I'm able to actually reach out to a community that I feel so welcomed in, if that makes sense. You feel me? But yeah, now it's just a calm little drive home, you know. I believe this video is gonna be a short video, maybe like a 5-minute video if anything, right? But listen, bro, I love the fucking support that I'm getting, man. I'm about to hit 300 subs, bro. 300 subs, that's crazy. 300 people like what I'm doing. That's like unfathomable, bro. Bro, you know how big 300 people like is in a room? That's crazy. But yeah, man, y'all remember the 330i that I was driving in my other video, my last video? So my boy Fabian, right, the owner of that car, apparently like something happened to the center console and he had to get it replaced, and he had to buy the part. My nigga, the part itself for that center console bit with the iDrive fucking wheel and bullshit, that shit costs $1,500, which is fucking insane to me. $1,500. Not to mention that when we were trying to put it on, it wasn't pairing, because apparently when you have to install it, you have to reprogram the bullshit to the fucking car, which the guy never told us when we went to go pick up the part, which is it's crazy to me. Like, don't get me wrong, I love Beamers, bro. I fucking oh my god, the things I'll do to get an M3, M4, are you crazy? But fuck them, that maintenance, bro. I'm very happy that I got a Honda where my maintenance is not that much whatsoever. Half the shit I could do myself, realistically. Oh my god, another big thing, yo. I've been low-key inactive also because I've been playing a lot of Black Ops 6, yo. A lot of Black Ops 6. Like Black Ops 6, bro. Oh my lord. Bro, to me it's fun. Like, I've been playing this game so much, I'm about to get dark matter on this bitch. All I need to do is 4 weapons, which are the 4 fucking pistols, bro. And that's it, I'm done. That's it. Last night, I got the bat diamond, and oh, I was ready to fucking kick a nigga, bro. I was getting ready to fucking throw something at a wall, bro. Cause that bat is such a bitch to play with. I wonder how this car looks from behind. Not from behind, but like, let's say I'm in that car and I'm looking at me with the blue headlights, the blue emblem, like the car is blue. You think niggas think I'm Crip or something? Yo, my boy Patrick calls this shit the Crip cord. Anyways, man, I appreciate y'all for watching, bro. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think I should do. Should I keep these headlights? Should I swap them to the other one? Because I'm going for that OEM plus look, and this is what it's gonna give me. That dude's new headlights are gonna give me that OEM plus ass look, yo. All right, let me. No, cause that bro, that dumbass car just fucking like what the fuck. But nah, man, I see y'all, yo. Peace.